Genocide is a new word combining the Greek word genos meaning race or group, with the root of the Latin sidere, meaning to kill. Dr. Raffi.
When you think of genocide, you think of Nazi Germany. Little do you know it still goes on today. First, what is genocide? Genocide is when one group kills members of a target group, inflicts serious body or mental harm, physical destruction on the conditions of life, prevents birth within the group, and or taking children from that group to another. During the Holocaust, Jews were the target group by Hitler and the Nazi Party. They were first hated, then discriminated. Next, they were gathered in ghettos, which had horrible lifestyles. Next, they were sent to labor camps and death camps to finally be exterminated. According to an organization called Genocide Watch, there's 8 stages of genocide. 1. Classification. There's 2 different groups that are distinguished, such as the Jews and the Nazis. The groups can be distinguished by country, race, religion, or something else. It essentially boils down to us and them. 2. Symbolization. The target group is given a name or symbol to classify people in that target group. 3. Dehumanization. This essentially means that the target group is not viewed as human, and is not treated as human either. They are viewed upon as the same level as animals, vermin, insects, and disease. 4. Organization. This is where genocide is organized. The army or militia is trained and armed. 5. Polarization. The groups are divided from each other. Hate speeches are going on. 6. Preparation. Death lists are made. Victims are separated. Victims are forced to wear some sort of identification. Separation into ghettos or other some types of camps. 7. Extermination. This is where the killing takes place. Mass murders of the target group. 8. Denial. The group that targets makes mass graves or burns his body. They deny what happens and flees away. Right now, in our current modern world, today, there's a few countries that conflicts that involve genocide. Sudan and South Sudan, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Eastern Burma, and Syria. Libya is currently at risk of genocide. The civil war inside Syria has started to escalate and eventually become genocide. In 2011, the president started cracking down on peaceful protests. He did this with tanks, helicopters, and artillery. This has escalated between the 2 groups into a fully fledged civil war. A civil war is between 2 groups, and in this case, one group started to exterminate the other brutally. Even those who were peaceful and had no part of the war, such as citizens and children. They did this both brutally with gases and chemical warfare. In Sudan, the government is attacking citizens. Sudan and South Sudan are fighting at each other. A lot of the genocide is toward Christians from the Islamic people. Eastern Burma is another example of genocide today in our current world. Burma is mostly Buddhist. They are committing genocide against those who are impure, a group called the Karen, which are mostly made of Christians. With this troublesome news of the imperfect world, we can only strive for things to get better, hope and pray for those who are affected, and raise awareness. These are old world problems come to the modern day. Genocide did not end with World War II.